Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be listening to the beautiful sound of this, I would say, Jewel deck. I believe it's 1983, somewhere like this time frame. This is Sony TC-K777ESII, and this is deck which has been created and released to be a dragon slayer, if you know Nakamichi dragon. So this was a very famous and very sophisticated deck with very superior parameters. And I would say that this Sony is a very good deck, and I was comparing it now with my 555 ESII, the best my deck. And I would say that they sound pretty close. So listen yourself and put your comments if you like this deck, how you like it sounds. So type 4 already. So this tape is Mareza, been recorded on 555 ESII. Enjoy the sound.
Firenze a Teheran, Morezza per medici, per tutto. Da Firenze a Teheran, Morezza per medici. Morezza, King of Cretaras. Per medici, chitarra. E adesso, direttamente da Teheran, Morezza con la sua fantastica chitarra.
Okay, and now I will install this tape into Sony 555.
La luce, la luna, l'amore, che bella. Shiraz, che bella. La donna di Teheran, che bella. La luce, la luna. Astana, che bella. Milano, Firenze, Roma, Beirut.
Now let's put something more interesting. And now back to 777. Okay, as you may see, this deck has beautiful display, perfect sound. So this tape I recorded yesterday on my Pioneer CT91, and it's Andy White, I believe, or right. You may check with sound recognition service if you like. Alright, enjoy. So it's type 2. Play. Now let's find different sound, and you see how quickly, quietly and easily it rotates after we did all those jobs on lubricating every single bearing in this deck. Okay, plays really well. Last tape to play back today is Big Fat Band, and it's been recorded on the GVC TDV-791, which is Victor. Enjoy. This one is nice. You can hear, I believe, how many really high frequencies this deck is playing, right? And it's really great comparing to my best deck. aligned to the bells. And listen again. On this deck, you could hear the really nice teeny bells playing. Enjoy. So I believe this would be it for playback. You may hear, so GVC, when it records, it has true Dolby bypass. So that's where like Dolby chips don't affect the sound, and you may hear like how pleasant and clear and nice it is. Next, I will demonstrate you the different modes. So fast forward. And as you remember, the motor here is a BSL motor for fast forward and rewind. It's a little bit loud, but not so bad. I installed the very same motor into my Pioneer on the capstan, and it's even like plays louder there, like with more vibrations. It doesn't affect the sound, but in the pause I can hear it, so probably we'll do something else with it. But you may see how quick and easy it works. What I mentioned on this generation, as you've seen my restoration video, these real hubs, they hold much better. They don't shaky as on the first generation. It's been fixed. Also, I like sound more. It's closer to the later generation, so it's kind of improved frequency response on this deck. And calibration now works a little bit better than on the first generation. So you see it's just dusted bump to the end. And same in the opposite direction. The only thing that this mechanism don't have a command gear and third motor to do it. So it uses 3 electromagnets to control the modes. So the one, it just pulls the brakes and makes sure that fast forward rewind will work. And 2 other motors responsible for playback and pause, as we've been learning while we were disassembling everything. See, pretty nice. No problem at all. And playback, pause mode. See, perfect playback. Let's do Dolby. So you may hear the sound is very strong from this deck. So that would be it for this part. This is mode, I don't think it was on the first generation, where I could select manual peak hold or auto peak hold. Auto keeps like 2 seconds, and manual it keeps forever, unless you will hold to reset. Alright, sounds good. Perfect little deck, enjoy. Next part we'll be recording demo, so stay tuned. Bye-bye.